Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can do a basic editing for your picture by go flip your picture from mirror to unmirror, from left to the right side, only with your iPhone without any application to edit. So here you just need to take a look on your photo library and type it. Now you just need to pick the picture that you want to edit here. So this is the picture. This picture, let's say this picture is using the back camera, and some of us could be feel confident whenever we showing the left side or mirror version of us. So let's just flip this, tap into this edit, and you just need to take a look on this bottom sides here, tap into the crop, and now take a look on the stop side. On the left side it can be these two options. This one is to rotate and this one is to flip. Tap into this and you can see now that the picture is being flipped. After you found the best angle of view, just go tap done. And now you're done. Now your photo is already got flipped easily without any editing application. So that's for this tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this, and if you still have some question or if you want us to make you some tutorials video, just type in the comment sections below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification section for upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other video.